Yes.
Oh, okay. You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you a Ghanaian?
Yes, I am.
Oh, you come from where?
Koforidua.
Koforidua.
Yes.
Oh, which part of Koforidua?
Eastern region?
Eastern region.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Can you show me the part Eastern region? I know that also Koforidua, Jumanko, Oyoko. Where do you come from?
That one I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Eastern region is for my father.
Oh, okay.
My father is the Koforidua king.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry. My business partner is calling me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll call you back, please. I'll call you back, please. Yeah, that's my business partner.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I have your number?
Oh no.
Why?
I have a boyfriend. I'm so sorry.
You have a boyfriend?
Yes.
But I'm come and say play. Oh, man, yes, sir. Don't do that,
I
okay?
have a boyfriend.
Listen to me.
Okay.
I can help you. I have a lot of companies. I can give you money to do anything you want. I can buy a car for you. Do you know me?
No, I don't know you.
Me, I own the Big Sis barber shop.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
grandpa.
yours?
Yeah, it's for me.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow. Okay.
You know Adwenkesie?
Yes.
Bronze assemblyman.
Yes.
Assembly woman.
Yes.
I bring Adwenkesie.
Really?
Yeah, from Koforidua.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah.
All right.
I've helped a lot of people.
So you're gonna help me?
Yeah, I'll help you.
Okay. Well, I have a boyfriend. I'm in a hurry. He went to the store. If he come back, he's not gonna be happy.
Oh, okay? Here, boys, he can't fit me, you know?
I'm sorry. I can't.
When
give you
he
my
come,
number.
I can beat him. Yeah.
You can?
Yeah. You know me, I'm a big boy, you know?
Uh-huh.
I'm a big boy. Don't worry, okay?
I can't
He
give you
can't
my
do
number.
anything. Give me your number to me, okay?
I can't give you my number. I'm sorry.
Oh, don't do that.
I'm sorry.
No, you are beautiful.
Thank you, but I'm sorry. I can't give you my
Oh,
number.
man, yes, sir.
I can't give you my number.
Oh.
I can't give you my
Hey,
number.
what's she doing over here?
He called me and he's asked for my number. He told me he liked me, and I told him I have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
And
Hey.
he's still bothering
Oh,
me.
unia.
Hey.
Mommy Chomu.
That's my girlfriend.
Yeah, I know. I told him that I want him as a friend.
No. That's my
He
girlfriend.
asked for my number, and I said no, and
No,
he can't
it's
bother
not
me.
like that. You know, I know his mother. His mother told me that when I see him, I should bring him. I am no fasten. I will arrest you. You are
No.
my.
This is my girl.
Your
My girlfriend.
Yeah. Hey, that's how close I know him. Hey, when I be free now, boy. When I be free. Akwani tribom. Say do. Boy, my minyanwa. Hey, akwa me fan tenda. But me say ni biao. It's a war. It's a war. You don't know me. Don't know me. Don't know how I'm come from. You come boy me minim. This boy, I'll show you a lesson. I'll show you. I'll show you. Oh, crack on that be me o send me. Oh, jai. Akwabia. Na se minim so akọ.
Dabi me na me to ade wo.
Ade se se wo tetami ana.
Na se me tetewo. Na de na me twam se me te se obi tietia na be se ananya odabo na e ka se.
Akwa bi na ma bu ni sisi e.
Eh.
Ma
Ya wa hade yan kukunto kwa se.
ma bu ni pasa.
Eh, hwe bibi yo.
Ma bu no.
Eh.
No wo
Ka wo phone na arrange no.
What my flow boyfriend. Now me need oh girlfriend na me need kasa. Now what now obe gaga.
Eh. So di wo de from ade o ka se te se ga.
Me so be boss. Say them up no boy.
Oh, ana be be boy na abo de be.
I didn't see me.
Boy no free here.
Boy no.
Mo free here.
I saw you American.
Eh, wo de ana black America.
Yes.
Boy.
Me I can fuck him up. I can fuck him up.
Brofo be na wote.
Me.
That's why I could go so me.
Me.
Ira me ko ya.
Hey, na mami we so. Bebe me fa bia wo gina ho. Hey, mami ani sami o. What tell me? Hey. Obia woman. Miana me de me hawo na. Kwa makoda. Yeah. 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 Ablo chablabo. Ablo chablabo. Ablo chablabo. Ablo chablabo. Hello? Can you show me Las Vegas?
Las Vegas?
Yes.
No, I don't want to hear that movie.
You don't know Las Vegas?
No.
Yeah, my friend is that fighter. It's my friend.
Your friend?
Mayweather.
Mayweather.
Do you know Mayweather?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my friend.
Yeah?
I want to go there.
You want to go there?
I quite be poor woman. My sister Mayweather pa. Yeah, better man yet. I want to. Hello.
Hello.
Can I talk to you? Yeah. Let me talk to you. Small. Okay? Small. Can you show me Las Vegas?
It's far.
It's far.
Yeah.
I want to go to that fighter. Mayweather.
Yeah?
Yes. Somebody have beat me. I want Mayweather to beat that person. The person me money scar. The money scar no about pono. Please. Can you show me police station?
Police station over there.
Yes.
Over there.
Over there. Yeah. Akwabi abomi. Please show me there.
Over
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, it's there.
You can see it over there.
Yeah.
Right
Can
there,
you
right
help me? I don't have any lolly fare.
You don't have?
Yeah, no lolly fare. Can you give me maybe $100?
$100?
Yeah, to take bus to home.
To
or
home?
50 or 20. Yeah, try. Me chop it.
I don't know.
And then
I don't
you
want cash. I just card.
card. Oh.
You got card?
Yeah, can you scan that for me? Why? Go and remove money to me, okay? Yeah.